cool jacket.
Oh my god, I'm getting it. Oh, this cute shirt. Come on. Where's your dress?
Cool cat. Down the hall to the left.
My cat. Shut up, big baby.
Say goodbye to the nerd, Tonic.
Who said you can put your glasses back on?
I don't think there's anything worth. I don't think anything's worth it
Here's your
in here
money.
now. Come on, let's go.
Got your purse.
You coming?
$2. $2? What did you say?
Do I stop or do I still film?
You still
Get
filming.
Tonic.
Oh, okay.
You're still filming? No, come here!
Maybe.
That can be a blooper.
Yeah, that can be a blooper. We can cut that out.
Okay.
I should have followed Tonic around.
Here, we need to... Ow.
Oh no.
We need to restart. I swear you scratched my face.
What if we had Freddy here?
Huh?
Like Freddy off of iCarly, he could be the cameraman.
I know, dude. So I'll be staring at him the whole time.
Are we starting from this? We starting from this? We're
Well,
starting
yeah,
from
because
this
we can
part.
cut that out and add the new video. Okay. Come on, hold on. Ow! Oh. Yeah, this way.
When we come out, we're gonna look in the mirror. Okay.
It's cooking.
Oh, I need to learn how to put on a shirt to do this.
Wait, you don't know what this is?
The
Oh,
room
it's
just spun.
I'm getting him. Hopefully he'll go in here. Are you still filming?
Yes.
Oh, we can cut it. We can add these videos as bloopers.
I thought these were bloopers.
Yeah.
Get in the purse.
This is a good blooper. I'm filming Tonic.
Get in the
Booty in the purse.
He doesn't want to.
Zip it.
I can't. It's gonna zip him up.
No, I got him. I got him.
It's gonna hurt him.
It's not gonna hurt him.
He's in there wrong.
It
It doesn't work. Here, use zip him.
attack.
You're
Hold it,
suffocating
Bradley,
his
hold him
face.
down. Hold him down. Hold him
Here,
down.
I got him. Calm down. It's just a zipper. Don't zip his fur up.
Just
Get.
We need Ginger.
Ginger won't go either. Tonic is easier than Ginger. Get.
This camera gets sweaty.
Hold him. You got him.
No.
You could have just asked me to
have
move the
hold him,
camera.
Hold him. Kendall, help hold him. I hope I don't strangle him. Strangle him, baby.
If we kill your cat, it's all your fault. No!
He's not gonna stay in the purse.
Jeez.
I got him.
Come here, kitty. Just carry him.
Here's Kendall fighting a kitty.
Yeah, this kitty's going down.
Well, the purse plan didn't work, so I'm just gonna carry him now.
Oh, where'd my purse go? Okay, restart from where we're in here.
Okay, do I stop?
No,
He's getting
Okay.
hot.
we can edit it on Movie Maker. Ready?
Yep.
Come on, Tonic, let's go home.
It said you could put your glasses back on, nerd. Oh, and oh no, you didn't. Oh no, you didn't. That wasn't part of the
You
script.
wanna mess with my sister?
Really? Oh, that's not
You gonna pay her?
I can't find the money.
You gotta pay her.
I can't get the purse off his shut up.
Do you wanna go to jail?
Your face.
There's the money.
Come on.
Goodbye.
Call the
Wait,
police.
this is the door.
Open.
Okay.
Okay, stop. Stop it. Stop it.
Did you stop filming?
No,
No.
these could be bloopers.
The button.